When we come into the product range, the modular switch is used extensively by the household in a daily way, in a larger way. If you see the switch, this is technically a better switch, and if you see the construction of the switch, the captive screws will not come out. That means if the electrician even by default, if he tries to remove, he will not be able to do that. So the proper connection is possible, and all of them are single mold, where nowhere it's connected or it tightened by screws. Then these whiteness will be there for even 9 years of life. If you wanted to replace the switch, it can be removed from the front instead of removing the plate. Another important features which is very much required today's life is, example, we use this product. Normally the white will become yellow or different color after usage of some time. This can be either replaced or this can be washed and put back into the switch. One. Second thing is, this also acts like a shield for your electric arcing. The moment this is actually a switch, the switch is inside. This is acting like a arc shield for your all electrical either contact or discontact. So this can be used. Yeah, the products are assembled here. Like this is a telephone connection, TV connection, step type fan regulator, and the one-way switch, switch is indicator, and a socket along with modular plates. You see on the back side, all of them are well connected. See, example, the fan regulator is the connector, and telephone connections all with lugs. So this all single mold connection, so that there is no way there's a loose connection is possible. Then to make your life more and more comfortable, we have a remote control where you can operate 3 switches and 1 fan. 3 switches can be connected and switched on, switched off, and using a remote control you can use like a fan regulator. The dimmer can be used for light purpose, or it can be used for fan for speed regulation. The Salzer products are available in the country, many places in the Hyderabad city, and we have many products like sensors, where if you go into the bathroom, you don't need to switch on. The moment switch on, when you come back, it switches off. So these are the facilities available in the automation product from the Salzer range.